If your printer suddenly stops working overnight, there's a chance that it could be associated with a recent Windows update. There's a couple things that we can check to see if that's the cause. The first thing we need to do is go down to the search bar or magnifying glass, type in the word device, and this will bring up the device manager, so let's click on that. In this row, we're going to find the Universal Serial Bus Controller, and we're going to click the arrow to expand this information. And in these results, we are looking for the line USB printing support. If you get to this point and USB printing support is not listed, please join us or let us know in the live chat so we can proceed from there. If you do see it listed, or it's listed multiple times, there's a couple reasons for that, one of them being that you may have several printers hooked up to your computer. But we need to specifically find the Arkscan printer. So to do that, let's double click on the USB printing support. Go up to details. Under the property drop-down list, we're going to choose device instance path. And here in the value box, this last series of numbers is going to be the serial number for your printer. If you are in this box and you see this particular serial number, that's good. If your device manager listed several USB printing supports over here, keep going through all of them until you find the one that matches the serial number of your printer. Once you find that particular listing, we're going to click on the property drop-down. We're going to click on the children option. So this option, these last series of numbers and letters, USB 002, this is telling us which USB port our printer is plugged into. So write down this number, take note of it or memorize it for the steps that are to come. So we're finished here right now. We can hit cancel and close out the device manager. And back to the search bar, we're going to type in printers. And when the printers and scanners result appears, let's click on it. Find your Arkscan printer. Mine is here, the Arkscan 2054A. Click on Manage, Printer Properties, and then Ports. So what happens is when this Windows update happens, it's unchecking these boxes in the port. So Windows doesn't know which USB port your printer is plugged into. So to fix this, if yours are also fully unchecked, what we need to do is find that USB 002, or whatever yours was listed as in the previous steps, and find that listed here in the port column, whichever number of port yours was. We can also verify it's the proper port by looking at the description and seeing that it's for barcode 2054A. So once you are able to verify this information with the proper port number and verify the description, you can go ahead and click this box. Mine was already clicked because mine was not affected by this issue, but once you click the box to select it, you can click apply. Mine's not showing up because I haven't made any changes, but after you hit apply, you can then hit OK. From here, proceed to print your label, and if you continue to have any problems, or this did not solve your issue, please join us on the live chat, and we'll be more than happy to help you figure out the problem.